Design options provide a way to build model alternatives for a design. The main model contains parts of the design that will not change, and the design options contain the parts of the model that can be swapped out depending on the design decisions. In this example, we'll create a design option for the courtyard of this building. In one option, the courtyard will contain a patio and a pavilion type structure, and the other option will not include these elements. Currently, the model has the pavilion and the patio created as part of the main model. As the design options are set up, the geometry of the pavilion will be redefined as part of a design option. On the Manage tab, select Design Options, or you can quickly access the Design Options dialog from the control on the application frame. In the Design Options dialog, create a new option set for the courtyard. Create two options for the courtyard. One option for a clear courtyard, and one option for the pavilion and patio. Click to close the dialog. Now move the geometry of the pavilion and the patio into the design option. Select all the geometry unique to the design option and click Add to Set on the Manage tab of the ribbon or the Quick Access button on the application frame. In the Add to Design Option Set dialog, select the Pavilion and Patio option and click OK. Click Delete Elements in the Error dialog. The roof of the pavilion was removed, so the curtain wall geometry changed, resulting in the error. The moved elements are no longer visible because the visibility and graphics of the view are set to not show elements in the pavilion and patio option. The first and second level floor slabs, the grade beams, and the curtain wall where the pavilion is located are elements that have two different configurations depending on the option selected. Select the slabs, grade beams, and the curtain wall. Then click the Add to Set button. Click OK to add the elements to both design options. Now modify the floor slabs for the clear courtyard design option. Notice that the geometry for a design option cannot be selected. Use the drop-down control to select the clear courtyard option for editing. The elements that are not in the option display in halftone, and the elements in the option can be edited. Use the control to edit the pavilion and patio option. In this option, select the curtain wall and attach the base to the roof element. Continue adding and editing geometry in the design options or in the main model as required by the design. Use the drop-down control to set the option to work on. In the Properties palette, click Visibility and Graphics Overrides to control which design options are visible in a view. On the Design Options tab, the option set is listed on the left and the option to display is listed on the right. The automatic selection will display the option marked as primary, or you can use the drop-down to explicitly control the option displayed in the view. Use design options to model different options in the same model. Visualize and quantify how the options affect the overall design.